Hey guys, welcome back to Ellie's World, and today I have a very special guest with me. It's my mom. This is her first time on my channel, and I will be doing her makeup today. So I'm going to start off with her eyebrows. I'm going to get the stuff from over here. Here's the stuff. I'm going to try to show you guys close up. As close as I can. I'm going to open the palette up. It's very pretty. I'm going to start. Mommy, what do you think about this? Do you think I'm going to do a good job?
I believe in you, Ellie.
Okay. Wait, let me go over here. Mommy, tell the camera a little bit about yourself and my
So, I have 3 children. Ellie is the middle daughter. I have an older
Yes,
son.
I am.
And then I have a baby girl that is 9 months. What's so funny? Ellie?
I don't think I got your eyebrow at all. Why is there only a little bit of eyeshadow left? Oh, I mean, just forget that. I don't know the name. Your eyebrows. Why is there a little bit of left eyebrow stuff of the palette that I'm using?
So you remember what I want to look like, right, Ellie?
Yes.
Who do I want to look like?
Beyonce. Okay. When you move, that makes me so I get it off. Did I mess up how I had it? There we go. Now your eyebrows look.
You did both of them?
Yes.
Right.
Anyway, so I'm gonna get some over here. Now I'm gonna put this back. I don't know where to put this. I'm just gonna put it over here. Table right there. Now I'm gonna get the eyeshadow. I think I might end up using the big palette. Let's just look at the big palette first, and then I'll go to the small palette. This is where you open it from. So much color. And so, what color do you want?
Surprise me.
Okay, here, this color. That's pretty. Get on her ride. There we go. Y'all think that looks pretty? Pretty, I think it does. That is a nice shade of glittery purple. How does that sound, Mommy? Glittery purple?
I like purple. That's my favorite color.
Yes, I do know that, guys. That is her favorite color. I know that. So that's why I picked this glittery purple. See? There it is. And do her other eye. Other eye. Then we can move on to foundation. And voila, she's done. It's the finishing product, but I think she needs a little bit more over here. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Voila! There's the finishing touch, guys. I'm going to put my makeup back. Now, foundation. Right, let me open it. What? Sorry, guys. I've never put in foundation on somebody, and this is not looking like my mom. Come on, blend! I don't want my mom to look like this. It turned her orange. I don't want that to happen. I'm not going to put any... Oh, no! That looks beautiful! I did an awesome job. I did an awesome job. Oh, looks exactly like her when she's wearing makeup. Did an awesome job. See, I just had to look from far away in the light. It looks like her. I did so good, guys. I'm doing better than I expected. I'm just gonna put that on more. I think I want to put it all over her face, but I really don't, because then I'm gonna mess up my eyeshadow and stuff. Trying not to go in the corners, but I need a little bit more over here. What was that? Do you want your nose done? I think you would like your nose
I
done.
think you should. And can I give you a tip?
Yes.
Don't forget my forehead.
I'm not. Okay, I'm good. I'm actually. Okay. This is hard. Should I look in the light? That kind of looks like my mom. Usually. Go like that. Go like that so I can get over your mouth. I need more. I'm not getting enough on this brush. Bum. There we go. You look everywhere the same. I am a great makeup artist. Don't you think, guys? Okay, now let me see how that looks. Woo! Come on, get out. That would have been a disaster. Okay. La 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 la. La 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 la. I'm gonna do some down your nose. There we go. I'm gonna do your. Try not to get some in your hair. Your beautiful hair. Beautiful, beautiful hair. Okay. Oops, I got some in your edges. Who cares? Here we go. I'm gonna try to get that a little bit out of your edges. Now I'm messing it up. Bam. Think that looks 100% my mom. Sorry guys, I was in the distance trying to look if it was good enough. Okay, so I can't remember what I did. So I did your eyebrows, eyelash. I did your eyebrows, and I did your eyeshadow. Yep, blush. Sorry guys, I can't remember the steps. Pretty bro. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit. I don't get why people put foundation on and then blush. Aren't you messing up your foundation? Aren't they, mommy? Okay, I'm gonna put some over here. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Now time for your mascara. Mascara. I'm going in with the mascara, guys. Oh. Are you okay? I can do that.
Doesn't sound good.
Oh, I'm sorry. I opened your eye with the mascara and you didn't know. Good. I'm gonna have to reapply your what was it called again? Your eyeshadow when I'm done this. I'm pretty sure I got black eyeshadow. Look, I got mascara on my fingers. And that's about it. Okay guys, so I'm trying to decide what color lipstick to go with. I haven't checked out this one yet. Check this one out. It's kind of small. Don't want this one. This one looks big, but it's not. It's very small. It's between these two. What does this one look like? Mommy, do you like this one?
It's okay.
Yeah, I'm not really feeling it. Hot pink we go then. Yeah, she does. My favorite color is pink, guys. By the way. Okay, I'm gonna put this bottle down somewhere. Here. Don't roll off and don't get any in our carpet. That is not the sound of bad laughter. It is good laughter. It looks so cute. I think at this point I'm gonna have to reapply everything. More. I need more. How do you get some in the corners? Guys, I should have kept a napkin on me. Mommy, why are you opening your mouth? Do you want me to get lipstick on your teeth? Cause I am going right there. Okay, guys. There we go. That looks good. Wait, don't move with your lips though yet, cause I still have to do a few things to it to touch it up. Make sure it looks exactly the same. There we go. Now I have to go back and redo her eyes because I totally messed up her eyes when I was doing thing. I can't remember what color was it. Well, I totally messed up her eyes with the foundation though, guys. Woo! Snap. It was about to be a wrap for this makeup and the brush. Okay. I'm gonna where I see there's blood. No, so I'm just gonna go in and I'm gonna reapply. There we go. Ta-da! I'm done. Okay, guys. I think we are done. I might have to put a little bit more lipstick on. Do duck lips. Duck lips. Yeah, there we go. I should have told you to do that in the first place. Duck lips. There we go. Yep. There we go. My mom looks so pretty. What do you guys think? Do you think I did an amazing job? If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!